In the sum, length is 120. If you count this 15, 30, 15, which is 60, plus 30, plus 30. So length is 120 and origin is on the right side. So we have 120 on the left hand side. Height is 50 and width is radius 30. So how much would be width? 60. So now we'll start with this. We'll take 120 on left side, 60 on right side and 50 vertically. And we'll draw this box. Now after drawing this box, we'll see front view. Now see front view. In this, how much is this? 16, right? How much is this? 10. And we have a slope. So first we will draw this part. And if you see this entire unit, this entire body is one part. So what we will do, we'll take 60 from here, we'll take 10 from here and we'll join this. Now whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. So how much you have to go behind? If you see top view, it's given 60. So you go behind by 60, 60. And then you join this. We are done with part 1. Now after that, again if you see front view, there is a slot. See this. This slot is going through and through. How much is there given? 15. So what we will do, we will take 15 on this or we will take 15 on this. If you see top view, they have given dimension on linear dimension, right? They have given linear dimension. So we have to take 15 on this, right? We'll take 15 on this. And then we'll go straight up and we'll draw a line like this. Then again if you see top view, they have given 30. So from here again you will take 30, go up straight and you will draw a line like this. Then after that, if you see top view, they have given a slot of 20. See this diagram. They have given, this is how much total? 60. 60 minus 20 would be how much? 40. So this is 20, 20 on both the sides. So what we will do, we will take 20 from here, 20 from here and we'll join. Again we'll take 20. So we'll draw this slot. And this would be dark. Now meantime I can draw this also dark, this also dark, this as well as this down part. This much would be done. Now I will see top view. Now in top view, they have given radius 30. Radius 30, that means I have to draw a rhombus of size 60. So I need to have 60, 60. If you see, this is 60, 60, right? So you already have a rhombus. So now over here you have to draw radius 30. So what we will do, first we will draw longest diagonal. We'll mark midpoint, midpoint of all the 4 sides. Now from where angle is more than 90, from that point we will join to the opposite midpoint. Now see this, what we need to do, we have to find out midpoint of this, midpoint of this. From this point we can draw line. So let's say this point is 1. So from point 1 we can draw this arc radius. Same way we can maintain the same radius, and from point 2 we can again draw the arc, but we don't require it. If you see, we have to draw only half circle, right? So what we will do, we will skip this point 2. We will from this point 3, which is intersection of these two lines, from that point I will draw another arc from here to here. So I will get this remaining portion of the circle. Then I will draw this and this down. After that, see this, they have given 50 height and this circular portion. That means this circle is 50 down. That means what it indicates, that how we have circular part over here, the same circular part is down also at a height of 50. So instead of drawing rhombus again, what we will do, we will transfer the points. So from point 3 I will go down by 50. How much I will go down? 50, and I will take this radius, take the same radius, and again I will draw arc over here, and then I will draw tangent to these two circles. So that means I have drawn this part as well, bottom part as well. Now after that we need to draw inside circle. If you see inside circle, it is at the center. So what we need to do, we need to find out center of this rhombus. So we'll take 30, 30, 30, 30, and we'll draw center. Now diameter is 30, so we need to draw a rhombus of 30. So from here we'll take 15, 15, 15, 15, and we'll draw rhombus. Again we'll follow the same procedure. We will draw longest diagonal. We'll take midpoint of these two sides, join to this corner. From here we can draw this arc. From here, from this point, see this. What we need to do, we need to take this much radius in our compass and we need to draw this arc. Then maintain the same radius, and from the opposite point we can draw this radius. Same way, this point and this point. So from this point you take this radius and draw arc. See, from here to here you draw arc, and same way from here to here and you draw another arc. So here there were 4 points that were important. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from this point you have drawn this arc. From this point you have drawn this arc. From this point you have drawn this arc, and from this point you have drawn this arc.